Tweens, welcome back to another episode of our Tween Time crafts, where we make cool stuff just for you, not for anyone else, for 9 to 12 only. And today we're going to talk about something really important. We're going to talk about recycling and the environment and doing great stuff to make sure our world lasts a long time. You know when you get really thirsty and it's a hot day and you want to drink some water and then you drink it and you're done with that water bottle and then you just want to throw it away? That's not any good. That's bad for the environment. And it makes our earth look ugly. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to show you something cool that you can do with that water bottle that is not only good for the earth, but it's going to make it look good. And in return, you're going to look good too. What you're going to get to do is make your wind spiral from that water bottle that you would have thrown out, but instead, you're going to make it look beautiful and hang it up in a tree and make your yard look great. So, what do you need to do to be able to make this beautiful water bottle wind spiral? The first thing you need to do is come by the library and get your Tween Time craft. Inside your craft kit, here's what you're going to get. Some great instructions on how to do the craft, but guess what? Miss Janelle's going to tell you what to do. So we don't do that right now. Then you're going to get one water bottle, one straw, a bunch of ribbon, and the best part, some markers. At home, what you might need is a pair of scissors and a napkin. That's it. This is going to be a super simple craft. The first thing you're going to do, especially if it's a really hot day, you're going to want to drink that water. I feel so much better. I drank all of that water. Now, that's where you're going to need your napkin. And you're going to want to try to dry out that water bottle as much as possible. And you'll want to cut out the cover of the label. Now, once you've got a naked and a dry water bottle, the next part's the fun part. You're going to get some of those permanent markers and color and design your water bottle however you would like. And remember, it's going to be cut apart. So if you get a little sloppy, that's okay. If some of the colors look a little bit light, because when the sun shines on them, it'll show up really bright. And what you're going to want to do is take the bottom and cut off this bottom part right here. So snip it with your scissors and be careful not to cut yourself. You don't need this one, so make sure you recycle this piece. And cut in a spiral. All the way to the top. Now, if you've got another water bottle, you can do another one. The more of these you make, the more decorative your water bottle wind spirals will be. Once you've got your water bottle all cut in a beautiful spiral, then you're going to want to take your ribbon and select one of them to be the one you hang from and place that one to the side. And the others, using your scissors, you're going to want to curl it, just like you would do on a birthday or a Christmas present. Part is really simple. You can tie your ribbons on and thread your water bottle through. And for the last ribbon that you set aside, you can thread it through your straw and tie it together to make a handle that you can hang in a tree. And there you go, simple as pie. You are not only saving the world and recycling, but you're making it a more beautiful place. If you'd like more books on recycling or crafts, or just want to come to the library to learn something new, don't forget to stop by and say hello to Miss Janelle. I'll see you next time. Bye.